Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover or restore deleted project on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to delete one of my projects. For example guys, I'm going to delete this project, so I'm going to click on these three dots and then I'm going to click on move to trash to delete this project. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can recover or restore this deleted project on VN Video Editor. I'm going to go to this icon to open up the VN setting. Okay, and then I haven't logged in to the VN guys, but don't worry because we can recover or restore deleted project even though we haven't logged into VN. Okay, you just need to go to the VN setting, click on this icon to open up the setting, and then go to the project trash. And these are the projects I have deleted. And if you want to recover the project, we just need to select the project like this, and then we can click on recover. If you want to recover or restore all deleted projects in your VN, you just need to click on select all, and then you can click on recover. Okay, now it's done, and my projects have been recovered. I'm going to go back to the home page on a VN. Okay, and this is the project I have just recovered, and also this one. Okay, basically you just need to go to the trash and then you'll be able to recover or restore the deleted project there. Okay, just go to the profile and then go to the setting and open up the project trash, and you will find the deleted project right here. That's easy, right? Okay, I'm going to go back to my home page. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recover or restore deleted project on VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.